Hi, I'm Jenelle. Welcome back to Inspiring Wit TV channel. Today I'm going to be sharing one of my favourite little handbags that I got late last year. And since we're in the middle of winter here in Australia, it's really come into its own because I feel it is very much a winter bag. And we're going to talk you through it in a quick little bag review video. So the bag is the Nico bag from Anine Bing. I got it in this chevron pattern. It's sold at the moment in Houndstooth, a cherry plaid and a black and white Houndstooth. They're all the same style of bag, just a slightly different pattern. And they have had other ones that are seasonal, which I think they mostly do through the winter months because it is made from this beautiful wool blend kind of tweed fabric that really lends itself to winter. And that material is a bit out of place in summertime, honestly. I really wanted to wear it because I got it in probably end of spring, beginning of summer, and I really wanted to wear it, but it was not the right season. Just felt wrong to wear it with like light cotton and denim, or even just like light flowy silk in summer. Just felt like I should be wearing a raffia or something instead. But I think it's such a beautiful bag, and in winter and autumn it's been top notch. Honestly, it's been so lovely. So this style, it's kind of a 90s inspired baguette shape. I think the shape is very good to fit quite a lot of things just for your average everyday, not a huge bag. It's a good little size. And it is, just beautifully elevated with this curved handle, which fits underneath your shoulders. I'll show you in that little cutaways of how I've styled it. It fits really nicely. You can kind of wear it over your arm, carry it. It's very cute. Inside, it is fully lined. I've just got a couple of bits and pieces in here. It's fully lined in black there with a little leather tab that has the Anine Bing logo embossed on there, as well as a little gold AB logo. And you've got a zip pocket in here. Actually, it's still got the protective plastic on the zip. And actually the zip has got the AB logo and the Anine Bing name down the side. The little attention to detail is really beautiful. I've never noticed that. I love the back pocket. I just keep my Band-Aids. I'm allergic to normal Band-Aids, so I always have to have my hypoallergenic ones in there, in any handbag. And then I actually just have a packet of tissues and a NARS lip gloss at the moment. But it beautifully fits a iPhone and my Kindle, card wallet, plenty of other bits and pieces that I carry around, AirPods, more makeup, keys, all those kind of things fit really well in this shape. It has 18 karat gold hardware on here. It says Anine Bing, very small lettering there, and it's a turn lock clasp, and I think it's just a really nice detail to polish off a beautiful bag. There's no pocket on the back. It's just very simple baguette style, and I really love it. And I'm going to read you the dimensions because there will be questions if I don't. So, product measurements: height 5.9 inches, width 10.2 inches, and depth 2.8. So that gives you a bit of an idea of the size. Honestly, it's so beautiful. The material is 50% wool, 40% acrylic, 5% polyester, and 5% other fabrics made in Turkey. I just think it's such a stunning bag. This one, it has sold out now. I got it given it actually as a gift, but during the sales. But this one is the same colorway as the Houndstooth that they have at the moment, which retails for 660 Australian dollars. We bought this one through the Anine Bing website when they had a sale last year, which was my gift from Mario for my birthday. had been eyeing it off for years, so I was very happy when it went on sale, and I was like, "Look, I would love that." He bought it for me. But honestly, they're such beautiful bags. If you are looking for something similar, the Houndstooth, I love it. I actually did see it on sale on Revolve, so I'll link both, and that was $150 on sale. So I will link both for you. If you manage to snap Houndstooth one in the Revolve sale, like, you won't regret it. But that's just my little tip for you. Anine Bing have also got a couple of the other, they've got the cherry plaid on sale for $465 Australian dollars, and the black and white Houndstooth as well. And they also have, at the moment, as I film this, an additional 20% off that price available with the code extra20. So I'm going to try and get this video up very quickly so you can still make the use of that if you're interested. They are gorgeous, gorgeous bags. They really do create like a little statement without being too obvious or overdone with a big logo or anything. This is just subtle and really, really beautiful. And yeah, I remember when this Nico bag got launched, it was just the campaign that they did with these big posters, I think in New York, with the bag, and then they did a dinner with some influencers, and I just loved it so much, and I kept seeing these bags. Probably it was in the Houndstooth version, but I love this chevron pattern. I just wanted one, and I'm very, very happy to have it in my collection. Cannot fault it. You just have to look after this one, and obviously this is a rigid tubular handle. I store it on top of where I would normally store my handbags in the glass door cupboards, because I don't have shelves that are this height. The shelves are probably about that height at most. So most of my bags are a bit shorter, but this guy does sadly sit on top, so I either keep it in the dust bag or keep it out during winter time, but in summer it goes back in its little dust bag. And yeah, I think it's really beautiful. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you would like to see any other particular videos from me, look, I even wore my Anine Bing old school sweater, which I think they still sell. But if you have any requests specifically from me for videos, hit me up in the comments and I will get making them. I've got another one soon on my belt collection, which I'm very excited to share with you, because I have some beautiful belts that I've added to my collection in the last year. So that will be out soon. I'm going to get this one up sooner because of the sales going on. Get on it. Fire away with any questions below. Thanks for watching.